Okay, so this is the fettuccine chicken Alfredo from the La Bella place that I went to before. Looks pretty good. So that's it. Do a short little review later what it tastes like, but I'm not eating until later. So right now it's 3:57. I'm not gonna eat until like 11:30 p.m. when Bleach comes on. So everyone wanted to get food, but they took too long to decide. So I cooked breakfast at 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 p.m. So I actually just ate, so I'm not eating this right now. But so it's obviously not gonna taste like fresh later on. But I'll leave it out here till later tonight. I'll do a little review on it. But yeah, this is the La Bella Italian restaurant that I went to for that pizza last time. Alright, so yeah, this is the end of the salad. I'm probably not going to eat that tomato there. Don't really care. Anyway. But yeah, the Alfredo was good. Obviously the sauce was good. Chicken Alfredo is good. Now this is La Bella Italian Grill restaurant. So the Alfredo, I think I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10. I can't give it an 8. I can't give it an 8 through 10. I give it 6.5 out of 10. So that's my rating. That's my score on the Alfredo. That's only for the chicken Alfredo. I think the pizza I can't remember. Watch my pizza video when I first did a review on the restaurant. Or the food itself. The restaurant inside was nice. I recorded a little bit of it, but yeah, I think the pizza I gave also like a 6 or 7. But I actually added a little bit of black pepper to the chicken Alfredo. I mean, it was okay. It wasn't amazing. It was between okay and good, if that makes sense. But it wasn't like, oh, wonderful, amazing, magnificent. Like the most amazing chicken Alfredo ever. So, anyway. That's all. Thanks for watching. Just finished looking at Bleach tonight and Dragon Ball Daima. I think it's the second episode of Dragon Ball Daima Adult Swim on Saturdays right now. Today is... Oh yeah, it's 12:46 a.m. now, but yeah. So it's June 22nd at this point. Still June 21st. Basically June 21st tonight. Saturday. They showed anime, right? So June 21st basically. And yeah, Dragon Ball Daima episode 2, and then Bleach. Well, the fake one. Roy Lloyd versus Genryu Yamamoto. So that was pretty cool to see. English. I learned a lot more in the English version than I did subtitles. As usual. Anyway. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.